Welcome once again to this online class. As we are discussing about the effects of pollution, we have discussed a brief introduction of the effects of pollution, what are the causes that is happening in the world, and we are creating a disturbance in the world. Then environmental pollution is having a major and serious problem. And we have discussed about the effects of air pollution, what are the health disease that we get from air pollution. In this video, we shall discuss about the effects of water pollution. So, through water, what are the effects or what are the causes, diseases that we get? So, first of all, we shall discuss about the health effect. From water pollution, disease caused by microorganisms. So, for microorganisms, disease are caused by this water pollution. Secondly, chemical toxicants present in the polluted water. So, in the water, the chemical toxicants that is mixed and the water is polluted. Through there, we get affected. Disease caused by mosquitoes such as malaria, dengue and chikungunya. These are the common disease that is found, or the water is being contaminated and they spread various diseases like malaria, dengue, and it is Hindi it is called dengue, but it is in English it is called dengue. Okay, so chikungunya disease are the different disease. Then diseases caused by biological agents, man's health may be affected by consumption of contaminated water. So obviously health is affected, we become weak and immune system is reduced because of the consumption of contaminated water. There are some waterborne diseases, that means through water, what are the disease happen? Hepatitis is caused by a virus, and diarrhea is an acute intestinal disorder. Cholera is caused by living under unhygienic conditions and consuming polluted water. Typhoid is caused by contaminated water. It may be also cause boils and ulcer in the stomach and intestine. So, these are the various diseases that we commonly get due to the drinking of this contaminated water. Eutrophication. We have already discussed about the eutrophications in the previous chapter. It is a process of depletion of oxygen from water bodies due to natural or human factors such as oil spill. So, effects of chemicals on human beings. Next topic that we can discuss it about the chemicals that causes, what are the effects of that is. Chemical pollutants of diverse nature derived from industrial and agricultural waste are polluting the source of drinking water. So, industrial waste, the agricultural waste, the pesticides, the fertilizers are used and that is mixed in the water and the water is polluted. These pollutants include detergents, solvents, cyanides, minerals, sulfides and ammonia. These are the different pollutants that is water and is polluted. Some of the heavy metals which are posing continuous threat include fluorides, arsenic, lead, nitrates, pesticides, cobalt, cadmium, tin and mercury. These are the heavy metals which are also leading to water pollution. Fluorides, how does it cause? Cause fluorosis, humped back, stiffness of bone joints and dental fluorosis. So, these are the disease that is caused by fluorides. Then again, lead is a toxic to both central and peripheral nervous system. It can accumulate in the bones. Pesticides can cause tumors, chromosomal alterations, brain damage, impotency and cancer. These are pesticides are dangerous. Then can say arsenic in mild doses cause nausea, is vomiting and stomach burns. In lethal doses, it may cause death due to shock and vesicular failure. So, vesicular failure means vein failure. The blood cells stop because of the arsenic content. Mercury damages the nervous system. It may lead to insomnia, tremors, bleeding of gums, etc. Then again, methyl mercury may cause Minamata disease, which is a form of mercury poisoning. So, these are the disease caused by the water pollution. In 1950s, more than 50 people died in the area coast village of Minamata in Japan. It was linked to the ingestions of mercury that was introduced into the food chain. It happened due to the water pollution by mercury. So, one example that is given in Japan, more than 50 people died because of the mercury content that was added or that was mixed in the water and got polluted. High nitrate content of water is associated with, so methemoglobinemia is due to the high nitrate. Infants are most susceptible to nitrate content. So, infants may be mostly or easily affected. Now, let us discuss about effects of soil pollutions. From the soil pollution, what all the effects takes place? As you know, soil pollution by various chemicals, organic materials also produce various health hazards for humans. So, the soils, like the farmers add fertilizer, pesticides. So, because of that, the soil is polluted and results various health hazards. Chemical fertilizers do damage when they are washed into waterways, lakes and underground aquifers. So, what happens? The chemical fertilizers, when they are washed into waterways, it may be leading to the rivers, it may be leading to the lakes, and it is seeping to the underground aquifers, means the place where the water is getting accumulated underground. They also poison water supplies and kill aquatic life. Aquatic life means the animals which live in the water. In addition, chemical fertilizers destroy the soil's natural balance. So, the ultimate result is that the chemical fertilizers destroy the soil's natural balance. This makes the soil vulnerable to erosion, leaves it lacking in nutrients, starts a vicious cycle in which more fertilizer must be used to make up for the soil depletion. Arsenic, lead, pesticides and chromium are most harmful substances which are hazardous in nature. So, there is the heavy metals which are more hazardous to this soil. So, in the next video we shall discuss about the other effects of soil, other effects of pollution, that is effects of noise pollution, then there is effects of radiations, biogas tragedy and Chernobyl disaster. So, up to here we shall wind up this class. So, thank you for watching this video so patiently. Hope you have understood. It is very simple, just go through it, read it, and the diseases you need to learn it, learn the definitions and what are the causes and diseases that is spread due to the various pollution. Thank you. God bless you.